Above us lies a universe so vast, so infinite, that it's impossible to believe that we are the only ones here. While humanity has long gazed at the stars, wondering if we are truly alone, recent discoveries are changing our understanding of life beyond Earth. From the search for life on Mars to the detection of exoplanets in the solar system, we are discovering worlds that might hold on to the key of one of humanity's greatest questions: are we alone? Scientists believe that life could exist in places we never thought possible, beneath the icy crust of Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, or in the methane lakes of Saturn's Titan. With advancements in technology, we're getting closer to answers, but are we ready for the truth? Are we prepared for the possibility of discovering intelligent life? Throughout history, we've learned countless stories of strange objects in the sky, of encounters beyond our understanding, but what if these aren't just myths, but clues? Messages from civilizations far beyond our own. The truth is, we may not be alone. The question is, will we ever make contact? Alright, John, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for inviting me.
So the question I have for you is, what would you say to an alien if they were here right now?
I would ask them, obviously, where they come from and how they got to this planet in the first place. I would want to find out all the little information and details about it.
Okay, cool. And then the second question I have for you is, what do you think aliens look like?
I think they would look exactly like us, or somewhat like us. But,
Why do you think that?
Why do I think that? Well, I think that because, I don't know. It's just what I think.
Okay, cool.
It's just my theory, I guess you want to say.
Alright, cool. Thank you for your time.
No problem.
Alright. Hi, Ben. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for having me.
So my question for you today is, do you think life beyond Earth exists?
I don't think so. It's some things do exist, some things don't exist. But it's all about the science behind it. And some people say yes, some people say no.
So would you say it's very opinion based?
Yeah, very, very opinion based.
Okay, cool. And one last question. If you were to see an alien right now, what would you ask them?
I would ask, where do you live and how do you think the world kind of appears in your perspective?
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
So what do I think? I personally think that aliens are real, because we can't be the only people in this universe. And I personally think that I don't know what they would look like, because there's endless possibilities, and you can't really put a pinpoint on it. But I think that the whole stereotype of them being green and oval is just so wrong. But so that's what I think.
There are two trillion galaxies in the observable universe, right? So you would expect not.
What have you made of all the recent headlines about, someone in the States saying he's seen evidence of alien life forms on Earth, something that was collected from the bottom of the sea, those tiny ball bearings, and they say this has been formed by a life form outside our galaxy.
It's a theory, that, isn't it? I mean, so there's a theory there, and so you can get the little things, and we will analyse them and have a look. I mean, I wouldn't. It's funny because you mentioned social media. I think occasionally on social media, I'll quite often I'll tweet something, and there'll be quite a few people who disagree reasonably.
As we wrap up, one thing is certain: the search for aliens is not just about finding life elsewhere, but also about understanding our place in this vast universe. Whether we find proof for other life forms or not, the questions we've asked help us learn more about ourselves, our planet, and the limits of human knowledge. The universe is very endlessly vast, full of mysteries we've only just begun to explore. While we may not have all the answers yet, the journey of discovery continues, and who knows what we might discover next. The search for life beyond Earth is far from over, and it reminds us that the unknown is always worth exploring.